Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 versus the Samsung Galaxy A51. And guys, on the Samsung Galaxy A51 is give you a Samsung Exynos 9611 processor with a 6GB of RAM, while the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 give you a Snapdragon 678 processor with a 4GB of RAM. On the back, we got quad cameras on both these two devices, as you can see. And also A51, it is a little bit expensive phone than the Redmi Note 10, but I want to see that how much the difference between these two processors when it comes to apps opening speed as well as boot up test. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, on both phones it's completely off. Now let's start off with the boot up test on both phones. Here we go. And the logo, it is a little bit more faster on the Redmi Note 10 as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A51. And Redmi Note 10, it is running on Android 11 with the MIUI version 12, while the A51 it is running on Android 10, and also we have a Samsung One UI 2.5, but I don't receive the Android 11 update on my A51 in Pakistan. Redmi Note 10, it is super faster when it comes to booting up than the Samsung Galaxy A51, and A51 is take a lot of time. And now the Samsung Galaxy A51, it is also done, and you can see about 8 or 9 second difference between these two devices. And as you can see that, and both phones give you a very similar display. We have a Full HD Super AMOLED display on both these two devices, and also both phones give you a punch hole on the center, which is a little bit more smaller on the A51 as compared to the Redmi Note 10, and the bottom chain, it is also much smaller on the A51. And guys, everything's closed up in the background, no app is running in the background. And also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, and that is little bit more faster on my Samsung Galaxy A51 followed by the Redmi Note 10. So now let's see the settings on both phones, and that is more faster on the Redmi Note 10 followed by the A51. Now let's see Amazon shopping on both phones, and you can see Redmi Note 10, it is little bit more faster than the A51. Now let's see the scrolling, feels really smooth on both phones because both phones has a 60Hz refresh rate display, so no difference in this area. Now let's check out some games application. Now let's see Candy Crush Saga. We have a Snapdragon 678 versus Exynos 9611. Redmi Note 10, it is super faster than the Samsung Galaxy A51. And also Redmi Note 10 also has dual speakers, which is not really available on the Samsung Galaxy A51. Now let's see Subway Surfer, and that is again little bit more faster on the Redmi Note 10. Redmi Note 10, it is completely done. And now the Samsung Galaxy A51, it is also done, again 1 or 2 second difference. Spotify faster on the Redmi Note 10, at the end exactly the same. Now let's see Temple Run 2, and looks like A51, it is a little bit more faster, but you can see that the Redmi Note 10, it is a little bit more faster than the A51. Redmi Note 10, it is completely done, and now the Galaxy A51, it is also done. So now let's see Pinout, faster on the Redmi Note 10, just a tiny bit faster. Opening up the Twitter, more faster on the A51 followed by the Redmi Note 10. Zedge, and that is exactly the same, no difference there. So now let's see the scrolling, feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. And guys, now let's see the PUBG Mobile and next game application, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And Redmi Note 10, it is a little bit more faster this time, and you can see at the end exactly the same on both phones. And last, I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. More faster on the A51 followed by the Note 10. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using the for Samsung internet browser as compared to Google Chrome on the Redmi Note 10 wikipedia.org, and that is a little bit more faster on the Note 10 followed by the A51. Next on the list is the Samsung.com, and that is more faster on the Redmi Note 10 as compared to the A51. So now let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. And guys, now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and we have a 6 GB of RAM on the A51. So now let's start off with the phone dialer, that is refresh on the Redmi Note 10. Let's see settings, refresh again, Amazon shopping, refresh, but it is an in-app refresh on the A51. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, same result, Subway Surfer, Spotify, refresh. Let's see Temple Run 2, let's see Pinout, opening up the Twitter, refresh. While the A51 is performed really good in the RAM management, Zedge, and that is not refresh. Let's see the PUBG Mobile, and that is refresh on the Redmi Note 10. Last, we are back to the internet browser, and that is not refresh on both phones. And guys, what I have to say regarding the app's opening speed is definitely more faster on the Redmi Note 10 as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A51 in terms of system-based application as well as in game app loading time especially. And RAM management is absolutely incredible on the A51 than the Redmi Note 10. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching the speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 10 versus the Samsung Galaxy A51. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.